Hey, watch this 5 minutes trade with 10x clarity. Welcome to Share Market Coder, the place where smart traders are built, not born. Give me 5 minutes and I will give you a clarity to trade for a lifetime. In this next 5 minutes, I promise you one thing clarity. Clarity in trading, clarity in learning, and clarity in your financial journey. If you are ever felt confused, lost, or overloaded with stock market information, you are not alone. Most beginners fail because they learn from random videos of YouTube, half knowledge tips, or paid Telegram groups. But here, you will learn what actually works. Inside Share Market Coder, we don't teach you shortcuts, we teach you the systems like the price action, like professionals trade, or option trading with real world logics, and risk management that protects your capital. Algorithmic trading or algo trading using Python coding, even if you are a beginner in coding, okay, or the back tested strategies with the transparent results which you can check by yourself, and a step by step market psychology, and a daily usable techniques, not just of the useless theory. So I'll teach you everything about this, and I have spent 12 plus years in markets, working with the stockbrokers, developers, and traders, and I have overall 15 plus years of experience in stock markets. So I have made many mistakes, lost money, and learned in a harder way. So you don't have to repeat the same. So I will teach you everything. If you want to trade with confidence, if you want clean, structured, practical learning, if you want to understand markets with coders clarity, then you are in a right place. So start with your first course today. Browse the modules under the course session, check the free previews, and begin your transformation from a confused trader to a consistent, confident, and data driven trader. Join the 90 minutes foundation weekend workshop, and I will give you a clarity to trade for a lifetime. Start now.